If you own a Hitachi C12FDH and the laser has stopped working or become intermittent, you may have had the issue that I had. The laser, which normally sits in this pivot here, where my finger is, has a wire that routes through the aluminum assembly all the way up into the handle. Inside the handle is the power supply, where the AC from the wall is turned into DC. The DC wire routes, again, through that aluminum assembly in kind of a tortuous path, zip-tied in a couple different places. All these panels that were removed protect it inside and bury it. And that wire routes through, eventually down to the laser module. The laser module is this a copper or brass assembly here that has the optics to give you your line. On mine, the wire failed in two different places, one entirely and one intermittently. There's a zip tie, as there's a couple zip ties along this wire, and at the zip tie, it was attached to the aluminum assembly. Where the zip tie was attached to the aluminum assembly, it would fatigue, it would bend every time the saw was lowered to make a cut. That just eventually fatigued the wire and broke it internally, so eventually got an intermittent operation of the laser, and then no operation of the laser. So I just went ahead and cut the damaged wire out and just soldered a repair in. The position up here also needs to be repaired. Mine was clamped down from the factory like this. That's obviously not correct. It damaged the wire. It really needs to go through that hole before it's fastened down. So between those two positions, you might find the reason why your laser module is not receiving power. The laser module and its wire can be purchased as a replacement part, but it's really expensive. It's somewhere between $50 and $100. If you don't feel comfortable soldering, you can do that because it comes with the wire built right in. Just search for the name of the saw plus laser module, and you'll find a whole bunch of hits for this laser. So hopefully that does it for you. So look for crimped and damaged wire, or potentially a bad quality control issue from the factory. Hope that helps.